This is a 2008 Lexus GX 470. One of the cleanest ones we've gotten in. Absolutely in remarkable condition. Pearl white. Mark Levinson sound, fully loaded. Navigation backup, DVD. Fully serviced. Great service records. Just absolutely in stunning condition for its age. Pearl white. Tow package, third row seat. They fold up. Those of you that are familiar with this vehicle, you are not going to find a cleaner one. Absolutely in remarkable condition. Wait till you see the inside. Just, this thing is clean. Chrome wheels, tires are in good condition. The vehicle needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Sorry about the wind noise. You would never guess this was a 2008, just crazy condition. Leather interior is like new, no rips, stains, or wear marks. Floor mats, heated seats, navigation, backup camera, 169,000 miles, fully serviced, adjustable air ride suspension. Everything works on this vehicle. Telescoping steering wheel works perfect. Mark Levinson sound. Power seats. No cracked dash. Moonroof. DVD. Moonroof. Just like I said, in absolutely remarkable condition. So this is a 2008 Lexus GX 470 in pristine condition for its age. Needs absolutely nothing.